Hi friends, hope you are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss about a topic that may be a boon for lethargic people like me. Not that I support lethargy, well at least not official. But this technique has been psychologically tested through various experiments. It is a technique of visualization. What would it feel like if you can exercise your body and lose all the extra fat or gain muscles without actually moving yourself? Well, it's not impossible. Psychological experiments have shown that you can prepare to climb Mount Everest, hone your chess skills, practice your game of cricket, or even practice a surgery that you have scheduled for the next day without even budging a finger. Mental practice can get you closer to where you want to be in life and prepare you for success. Let us consider a real life example. Natan Sharansky was a computer specialist who had to spend 9 years in prison in the USSR, and the conditions were inhuman. He was accused of being a US spy. While in solitary confinement, he mentally played chess, more to escape the frustration in the beginning, but as time went by, he wished that he can even use this opportunity to become a world champion. Friends, you will be astonished to know that in 1996, Sharansky actually defeated world champion Garry Kasparov. And he did all this without moving a single chess piece. The entire thing happened in his mind. Study of the brain patterns of a number of weightlifters have shown that the patterns activated while actually picking up weights of like hundreds of pounds were similar to the pattern activated just imagining the same. Research has revealed that mental practices can be almost as good as physical practice. Guang Wei was an experimental psychologist at the Cleveland Clinic Foundation. He conducted a study where he compared two similar groups of everyday people. One of the groups did actual physical exercise, while the other carried out virtual workout in their heads. It was found that the finger abduction strength increased by 53% in the physical workout group, while the average increase in finger abduction strength was 35% among the people who did just mental contractions. In fact, the greatest gain was achieved after 4 weeks when the results of the virtual exercise group showed an increase of finger abduction strength by 40%. It demonstrates the power that our mind has on our muscles. Visualization as a mental rehearsal technique has been very popular among the Soviets since 1970s. They used this technique to compete in sports. Today, a lot of athletes use this technique. A very famous example being Tiger Woods. He claimed to have been using this since his pre-teen years. Another famous example is Jack Nicklaus, the world champion golfer, who said that he never hit a shot without having a very sharp, in focus picture of the entire trajectory in his head. Muhammad Ali used this technique of visualization and also affirmations in order to improve his performance in the ring. The athletes use very vivid, highly detailed internal images and use their experiences and try to use all their senses to get into the virtual state of visualization. Modern brain studies have revealed that thoughts produce the same mental instructions as actions. Mental imagery impacts many cognitive processes in the brain: motor control, attention, perception, planning, memory, everything, almost everything. So the brain is getting trained for actual performance during visualization. It's been found that mental practices can enhance motivation, increase confidence, self-efficacy, improve motor performance, and it can prime your brain for success and increase states of flow, which are all relevant for achieving your best life. Let us take the example of Matthew Nagel. He was paralyzed in all four limbs, but mental practices transformed his entire way of life. He had a silicon chip implanted in his brain, and after just 4 days of practice, he was able to use his robotic arm to move a computer cursor, open emails, even play computer games. While our circumstances are way less stringent than Matthew's, but the crux is all of us can benefit from mental practices. So the question is, If athletes and chess players use this technique to enhance performance, how can you and I use it in our lives? Study results highlight the strength of mind body connection, or in other words, the link between thoughts and behaviors. This is very important. This connection is very important for achieving your dream life. So, definitely give it a try. First, establish a highly specific goal. Imagine the future as if you have already achieved your goal. Hold a mental picture, or even better, a mental movie of it as if it is occurring to you right at that moment. Imagine the scene in as much detail as possible. Engage as many of the five senses as you can in your visualization. Who are you with? Which emotions are you feeling right now? Is there a smell in the air? Do you hear something? Or what is your environment like? I mean, anything that comes to your mind, just go into as much detail as you can. Also, try to sit with a straight spine when you do this. You can try it anytime, but practicing at night or in the early morning, that is just before and after sleep, helps the most. Repetition is the key to success, so practice as often as you can. Best results are obtained when this technique of visualization is combined with meditation and with affirmations. By the way, friends, while I did say in the beginning of this video that it sounds like a way out for the lethargic people, but jokes apart, this isn't for the weak-minded or the lazy people. It requires as much determination and as much focus, if not more, to use this technique on a regular basis in a dedicated manner. So, put in your best and let us hope for the best. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on mental health awareness. You can share your experiences and problems with me personally or through comments. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.